Take a look at this joint. Captain's Billy's Landing on the east coast of the Cape. It is absolutely stunning. All the boys there and girl. And that there, that follow that up, that takes you right up to the tip on the east side. And that is out to the east out there. So awesome beach. And the water, I've checked the crocodiles, is absolutely amazing. Like, just amazing. Well, g'day everybody. We've made it to the tip yesterday and yeah, had a great time up there. I was a little bit unaware that you had to, it was quite a walk up over the hills and the rocks to get out to the tip, but well and truly worth the walk and the spectacular scenery up there, and just seeing the, I guess, the east and the west side of Australia at one point is pretty cool. So seeing the sunrise, the sunset up there was awesome. Had a great time up there with Angus. We donated a few fishing lures to the Coral Sea. I guess it's the Coral Sea up there, mate, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, and we had a great time. So stayed at Loyalty Beach last night. Yeah, had a good night there. Brekkie this morning, back to the Jardine River. Had to wait there a little bit for the ferry. Sunday morning, I think they all slept in. So once the ferry got going, we're headed back. And currently, this track in front of us is the old telly track. So we're heading down to Nolan's Crossing. We're going to pull up there and probably have some smoko or some lunch there or whatever. And yeah, onwards from there. So we'll get some footage of that when we get there. But look, this top end country is absolutely amazing. I've said that about the high country in Victoria too, and completely different spectrums of the country, and I love both of them. So yeah, this is what it's all about. Get out there, get your four-wheel drive and use it. It's honestly, as long as you're well prepared and you've got a reliable vehicle, yeah, you'll be able to do this stuff up here. So yeah, we'll chat soon, guys. Take care. Well, g'day again. Well, we've made it to Nolan's Crossing. Absolutely nice drive coming in here. That's there. Just going to pan around here and show you the creek. So we've got a few exit points out of the creek. We're just trying to look for a decent one. Now, yeah, we'll give it a crack. I'm thinking that one over there. That one of those two anyway. So we're going to have a crack at those. Angus is up on the swing. He's been in the water already, and yeah, this will be cool. I haven't been here 2 seconds and take a look at this monkey. He's found a rope. Hayden's up there. Angus has just done a Spider-Man. Ruben's there, so this is Nolan's Crossing. Look at you two, just having a blast. Look out, you don't want to get as... If you get out there too far, you won't be going back. How good is this? This is Nolan's Crossing, and it starts out shallow. It'll go up to wheel height at least. Just going to poke through here, nice and steady. Feel it up under the floor. top of the grill. Installed it. And we did that without diff locks, so that was pretty cool. Diff locks would have made that a lot easier, but yeah, all fun.